Welcome to our channel. If you need to change the Wi-Fi network your Google Home is connected to, follow these step-by-step instructions to reconnect it to a new network. Step 1. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Step 2. On the home screen, locate the Google Home device you want to reconnect to a new Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Tap and hold the device tile, or tap the device and then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Step 4. Scroll down and tap Wi-Fi to view the current network connection settings. Step 5. Tap Forget this network, or Forget to disconnect the device from the current Wi-Fi network. Step 6. Tap Add New Network, or follow the prompts to set up the Wi-Fi connection again. Step 7. The app will search for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your new Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 8. Enter the password for your new Wi-Fi network when prompted and tap Connect. Step 9. Wait for the Google Home device to connect to the new network. The app will confirm when the connection is successful. Step 10. Test your device by asking Google Assistant a question to ensure it's properly connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.